How to use pressed garlic to reverse vision loss. Vision loss is a health problem that often comes with age. Although it doesn't occur in the same way for everyone, a high percentage of the population suffers from some type of difficulty associated with old age. The problem is that some people ignore this and only start to pay attention to it when conditions have reached the severe, almost irreversible stages. For this reason, doctors and specialists recommend that you improve your living habits, especially when it comes to what you eat. Your eyes need essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants to perform at optimal levels and prevent deterioration. That's why you should take a good look at your eating habits and add foods that benefit your eyes directly. Eating garlic every day, for example, can prevent and even reverse macular degeneration. This is thanks to its high content of sulfur compounds and essential minerals that protect the membranes of your eyes. What is macular degeneration? Macular degeneration is a disease of the eye that's characterized by the slow deterioration of your central and sharp vision, making it difficult to see fine details or read. It's more common in individuals over 60 years old, although there have also been cases in younger people. It occurs when the macula, a small area on the retina, collapses or suffers from some sort of damage. This usually occurs as part of the natural aging process, but it can be accelerated by the continued practice of bad habits and the development of certain diseases. Patients with this disorder experience blurred vision, dark areas or distortion in their central vision, and occasionally permanent central vision loss. How can garlic help patients with macular degeneration and vision loss? Garlic has become popular as one of the best foods for vision care thanks to its high content of nutrients and other beneficial properties. Compounds derived from sulfur, as well as selenium and vitamins, work to reduce the symptoms of macular degeneration. Its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action protects the cells of the eye and prevents their destruction due to the effects of free radicals. In addition to that, it's a great food for controlling high blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which have been associated with eye damage and vision loss. Blood pressure and its relationship with your vision. Patients who have high blood pressure are more likely to have vision loss problems than those who don't. This is because of restrictions in blood flow, which has a negative impact on the function of your retina. This part of your eye depends on oxygen levels for good performance, so a restricted blood flow compromises your visual health. Garlic promotes proper blood flow and reduces your systolic blood pressure to stable levels. Cholesterol and eye health. Too much cholesterol in your bloodstream not only triggers unhealthy reactions at the cardiovascular level, but also has to do with the buildup of fatty deposits behind the retina. These lipids can decrease your vision and over the long term, lead to vision loss. Garlic contains sulfur and powerful antioxidants that prevent the synthesis of both bad and total cholesterol. How should you prepare garlic to care for your vision? You'll need a kitchen utensil known as a garlic press, which is designed to crush a clove of garlic by pressing it through a series of small holes. It has a small lever that serves to press the clove into a thick paste. Of course, if you don't have this tool, you can choose other options like a cutting board or a mortar and pestle. Mode of consumption. To attain these benefits from daily garlic consumption, 1 or 2 cloves is recommended. You should always eat it raw, because when you cook garlic it loses up to 90 of its benefits. You can also combine it with a little lemon juice and olive oil. How often should you add this to your diet? Now that you know how good it can be for your vision, stop making excuses and try it on a regular basis.